Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently received this stadium seat from the manufacturer to do a review. So let's look at its features, give it a try. Okay, the seat is very lightweight, unlike some stadium seats. It's 6.6 pounds. So you have the carrying handle here on the side as well as the top. So you can carry it different directions. The seat is 16.5 inches wide, 15.7 inches high. You have the sports emblem here on the front and the back. Of the soccer, it's 3.1 inches thick. And you have the polyester material that's water resistant and easy to clean. Underneath the seat, you have not only one, but you have two different safety hooks that clips underneath the bleacher seats to keep it from tilting over. A lot of seats just have one, so this one has two for added safety. Then you have a pouch that's velcroed to the bottom here. You just release that and it just kind of hangs in front of your seat. A place that you can put a bottle of water, your iPhone. You have a little pocket here that's zipped up for additional materials that you can be placing in it. Comes with a carrying strap. In addition to the two handles, you could use the shoulder strap as well. You have the metal frame on each side as well as up the back. So this just weighs about 6.5 pounds, very lightweight, easy to carry with the two handles, very comfortable to sit, double locking hooks on the bottom. So I highly recommend this stadium seat.